Hey everyone, my name is Holly Diamond. I am the founder of WorkOnward. We are a community-based hiring platform built for frontline and low-income workers who are often left out of traditional hiring systems. And this work is personal to me. I spent over 10 years working as a recruiter, and I helped companies hire and work closely with job seekers. And I saw how hiring depends on the resumes, long applications, and technology that many people simply don't have access to. At the same time, I helped open and run a restaurant for my family. We didn't have access to hiring network or expensive tools. We struggled to hire, even though people in our neighborhood were actually looking for work. We just couldn't find them. And I saw hardworking immigrants and frontline workers get blocked from jobs that they were perfectly qualified for, while small businesses, special restaurants, relied on the word of mouth and costly job boards that didn't work. That gap is why I started the WorkOnward Foundation. Our goal is to rebuild hiring around what actually works for people. We focus on AI for social good, proximity, workforce equity, and accessibility. Through WorkOnward Foundation, workers use simple tools that they already know. They can learn about the nearby jobs through text messages or voice. They can show interest and create a basic job profile without writing a formal resume. And then we intentionally reduce language and technology barriers by offering multilingual supports and voice-based AI. For employers, especially restaurants, posting a job is a quick and simple. They connect with the local workers who live nearby, and this reduces turnovers and create safer and more stable jobs. This approach puts power back in the hands of the workers and the organizations that support small businesses, like restaurant associations and local chamber of commerce. People spend less time stuck in confusing systems and more time working close to home. Small businesses build stronger teams from their own communities. WorkOnward doesn't replace human connections with AI. It uses AI to remove barriers that never should have existed. If this resonates with you, partner with us and help connect more people to find opportunities right where they live.